All right, guys, this is a video I've been waiting to shoot for a long time. What's the difference between all men? Well, they're either secure or they're not. So I'm gonna start this video out with 8 things that'll let you know what the #1 insecurities are that men have. And I guarantee this, a lot of you think you're super secure with yourself, and I'm gonna cover these first 8 things, and you're gonna be like, dang, Andy, man, I love you, but I hate you. But that's the truth. And I'm gonna give you a chance to fix it on this. So 8 insecurities are what we're gonna start with. And then I'm gonna give you 9 things that you can do right now on this video to be secure as a man, crush it and kill it and be confident. Listen guys, nobody builds a big life being insecure. Nobody builds a big life without confidence. Okay, so this is probably the most important video that I've ever made in my life. Because if I can kill your insecurities, you can take over the world. All right, so let's get to it. We're gonna start out with the common signs of insecurity. That means that you're not secure with yourself. You can write these down, but I want you to follow with me. And hey, by the way, listen, all change starts with honesty and truth. So if you wanna change your life, you're gonna have to be honest here. All right, so #1, constant anger or defensiveness. If you find yourself getting defensive, if you find yourself getting angry, there's a good chance that there's insecurity inside of you. Now remember this, when I'm done with these 8, I'm gonna give you 9 ways to become secure. Okay, so you can fix all this. But #1 is constant anger, defensiveness. #2, jealousy and controlling behavior. Is that you? I know that's some of you right now. Okay, if that's you, that's an insecurity trait. #3, bragging or showing off nonstop. Hey, it's cool if you've done something, right? But when you take it too far, like that's when you know it's an insecurity because you want everyone to know. All right, seeking attention constantly. Look, man, just, if you're a stud, roll as a stud. If you're a savage, roll as a savage. But when you're going out constantly seeking attention, I like to get attention online. I like to help people. I like to create triggering things. But in life, if you run around and you got to get attention from everybody all the time, it usually stems from an insecurity. Now, avoiding challenges. This is a big one right here. If you find yourself avoiding challenges, that is definitely an insecurity. Needing reassurance constantly. Hey baby, what do you think about this? Hey man, hey, what do you think? Do you think I can do this? That's an insecurity, okay? And I'm gonna show you how to kill that because I know you don't like doing that. But a lot of you watching this right now, you really second guess yourself and you need someone else to give you validation that you can do it. You don't need that, okay? We don't need a validation from anyone. Putting other people down. Dude, I used to be one of those guys. I know. When I saw that one, I said, dang it, that was me. Okay, I used to put people down. I didn't like it, made me not feel good, but it was because I was insecure. Okay, everybody's insecure at some point until they're not. And then lastly, #9, acting tough all the time. Look, dude, I'm gonna tell you this, I'm a great leader. I found myself getting vulnerable in meetings. I've shed tears, I've cried. I am a savage, I'm a psychopath. I'm always down for the fight. But acting tough all the time, that's definitely an insecurity. Okay, now I'm gonna flip the switch right now and I'm gonna give you the 9 things that will help you become a savage in your security. This is gonna change your life. All right, so the part you've been waiting for is what actually builds security in men. This right here is gonna change your life, okay? Remember, if you're any of those other 8 things I just covered, you can change all that right now. So what actually builds security in men? I want you to go through each one of these and I want you to become this. This is the secret to crushing in life. So #1 is gonna be keeping your promises to yourself. This is a big problem with men. Look, dude, do you do what you say you're gonna do? If you don't do what you say you're gonna do, there's no way you can ever be secure. There's no ways that you can ever believe in yourself, and your confidence is always gonna suck. You have to keep your promises to yourself. So this is a huge one. All these are huge. #2, physical training and health. You guys already know how I feel about that, okay? A man that doesn't take care of himself can't take care of no one else. All right, you want security in yourself, you believe in yourself, you build that confidence in the gym. #3, developing skills and competence. Competence creates confidence. When you get good at something, you build confidence in yourself, and confidence kills insecurity. What skills are you great at? What do you need to learn? What are you lacking in? Maybe you're not a good speaker, you need to go learn how to speak. That'll solve your whole problem. You'll become more confident. You'll start crushing it. Your insecurities go away. Now you're a secure man. Financial discipline. This is a big one. People that go out there and buy stuff just to impress other people, totally insecure. Financial discipline. If you can control your money, you buy things because you need them. You buy things because they're investments. You buy things because you want them, but not to impress anyone else. Facing uncomfortable situations. I know this, unsecured people, they run. They're like cowards. And secure people, they face things head on. They don't care. And they don't face them head on because they're idiots. They face them head on because they believe in themselves. Think about how many hard things that you've avoided because of insecurities. But you can fix that right now. Having a mission bigger than yourself. Leaders live for a bigger vision than themselves. Okay? You've got to have purpose. If you don't know why you're alive, if you don't know what your purpose is, if you don't know what you're willing to bleed for, you'll stand for nothing. Strong standards and boundaries. I always say this, look, I've got walls around me. I've got boundaries around me. I do things for a lot of people, but there's also things that I won't tolerate. You have to decide what you will and what you won't tolerate. And then also standards, principles, and values. Remember this, most people stand for nothing. Decide what you stand for, stand firm on them, and don't waver no matter what. Honest self-awareness. This is a big one. I told you all change starts with truth and honesty. Are you man enough to look in the mirror and own your crap? Most men aren't. They give away the power to fix something. They give away the power to change something because they make excuses and they blame it on someone else. Everything good in your life, own it. Everything bad in your life, own it. And for that reason, you can fix it. That's what secure men do. And then consistency over time. Secure people know that if I just play the long game, it's always going to play out in my favor. Look, dude, there's things that I'm doing right now that I know I'm going to be relevant in the space 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20, 25 years from now, and I'm still going to be crushing it because I'm interested in playing the long game. I'm not like shortcutting anything. I raise my standards, I raise my values, I raise all of these things, I work and train on all these things, and I'm not going away. I'm irreplaceable. I'm indispensable. And you can be as well. But you gotta find your security in yourself. And we covered the first part of this video on things that insecure men have. And we covered this last part on things that secure men have. Really watch this video a couple times. By the way, do you have a friend you need to send this video to? Do you have someone you need to send this to? Go ahead and send it their way. Because if you love them, you're gonna help them to learn how to be secure. And then also, if this is you, do me a favor, watch it a couple times. Make the correction, and if you need help, if you want help, I self-develop and I help people every single day build their best life. You guys can shoot me a text, 918-210-0254. You can text me right now, it's very simple. 918-210-0254, shoot me a text, give me your name. Okay, you gotta click permission for me to reach out to you after you text me because that's the way the law works. But if you do that, I'll message you back, we'll set up a game plan with you. God bless, have a great day. My goal is, and I wanna build the greatest men that have ever lived in the world. Okay, if that's you, if you want to make history, you can do this with me right now. I hope this video helps you. I'll see you in the next one. Let's kill it.